This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone update not working on iPhone. So if you're trying to update your iOS version but you can't install the latest version of iOS, just follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is enable automatic updates. To do that, open your iPhone settings, General, Software Update, Automatic Updates, enable Download iOS Updates, also enable Install iOS Updates, and then check the issue. And the second solution is check your internet connection. If you're using a slow or poor internet connection, it may be the reason of you're not able to download or install iOS. So you have to use a stable internet connection. You can switch your internet connection between Wi-Fi or cellular and then check the issue. And the third solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, then you won't be able to update your iOS version. So check your iPhone storage from here and free up your iPhone storage at least 10 GB and then try to re-update your iOS. And another solution is charge your iPhone. If your iPhone charge is less than 50%, you won't be able to update your iPhone. So make sure to plug in your iPhone and charge. After that, try to re-update your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.